A lot of people have been making a lot of money with NFTs, but what they don't tell you is that a lot of people are losing money with NFTs. And I know that because I have first-hand experience and I have lost some money with NFTs. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about NFTs, what they are, how you can buy your first NFT and sell it for a profit. And also, if you're interested, I'm going to teach you how to create your own NFT as well. Guys, if you appreciate this content and you appreciate me losing money on NFTs just so I can teach you and have you learn from mistakes, I would really appreciate if you can hit that like down below. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is HM and welcome to the channel. Now, what are NFTs? NFTs are short for non-fungible tokens. What are non-fungible tokens, you ask? Non-fungible tokens, according to Investopedia, they are cryptographic assets on blockchain with unique identification codes and metadata that distinguish them from each other. Let's first start by explaining what fungible is and what non-fungible is. So fungible is something that can be interchanged. For example, money. If you give me a $100 bill, I can give you 5 $20 bills and no one would bat an eye because I'm giving you the exact value that you want, and your $100 bill is fungible or interchangeable. Another example might be an ounce of gold. If I give you an ounce of gold and you give me another ounce of gold, they're not exactly the same, but they have the same value. This is what fungible means. Non-fungible is that not interchangeable. This could be, for example, a piece of art that you see in real life. For example, let's say a piece of Picasso. This is non-fungible because there's only one of a kind anywhere. A different example would be a piece of digital art, such as the ones that we see people selling and making a lot of money from. Another example you might be familiar with is if you play any video games, having a skin in the game, or for example, a knife in Counter-Strike, then you're the only one who has that knife and people can buy it from you in exchange for other knives or other skins, but they can't give you that exact knife because it's non-fungible. This is what non-fungible means. The token part just means the certificate of authenticity. So people can verify whether this is actually yours or not. So a lot of NFTs have been selling for huge amounts of money. For example, this one has been sold for $1 million, this one for $1.1 million. And if you scroll all the way down to the top one or the top two, this is 6.6 million. This is a piece by Beeple, who is a very famous artist and NFT artist. And this one was sold for $69 million at an auction, which is crazy. With that being said, it's not all fun and games when it comes to NFTs. A lot of people have been losing money. A lot of scammers are out there. There are a lot of traps because it's still a fairly new market or just a new market. So it's like the Wild West. There are no regulations. People can lie. People can bid on their own pieces just to increase the perceived value of the token or the NFT. And thus, this can have people fall into traps and spend more than what is worth on a certain project. Quick disclaimer, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so be careful before getting into this. Do your own research. This is probably one of the riskiest aspects of crypto because it's literally just like the Wild West and people are still learning. Please don't dive into it before you actually know what you want. I made the mistake of diving in quickly because I FOMO'd and I didn't want to miss out, and I ended up losing some money, and I don't want the same to happen to you guys. Now, just a few ground rules before I begin to teach you how to buy. First of all, make sure you know the reason why you're buying. You can have 3 reasons. The first reason is you actually like the piece of art you want to buy or the NFT, and you just want to own it, which is that's the most ideal out of the bunch. The second one might be is that you want to flip it for a quick profit. So you want to buy something for 0.1 Ethereum and then you want to sell it for 0.2 Ethereum, for example. That's another way. The third way is you want to be a long-term investor and you just want to buy a project right now, wait for 10 years and see where it goes. None of them is the correct answer. It just depends on your preference and what your goals are. In this video, I'm just going to teach you how to buy it and sell it and maybe even create one if that's what you want. This tutorial is going to be for the platform called Opensea. Opensea.io is a platform where people buy and sell and create NFTs. And for that, you need something called a MetaMask wallet. So before we begin, make sure you go to metamask.io. Make sure you type it in because you don't want to go to Google and click on a certain link and have someone steal your funds. So metamask.io, type this in and download it for either Chrome, iOS, or Android, depending on what you're using. You click install MetaMask for Chrome. So the simplest way you can do it is follow this. Step 1, go to MetaMask website, click get Chrome extension, install it, and click add to Chrome in the upper right, and then click add extension to complete the installation. Very straightforward, super easy. And if you just don't know how to do it, just type in how to install MetaMask and you'll find it. It's very easy. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Opensea or whatever platform. There's Super Rare, Variable, and Nifty Gateway, and many others. I'm using Opensea for this one. So if you click on the Google extensions, Google Chrome extensions, you see MetaMask right there, and I'm gonna open it, and what you have right here is this is my Ethereum balance. As you can see, I got plenty of Ethereum. I have $8 worth. So for that reason, I'm going to show you how you can buy an NFT with those $8 or with whatever balance you guys have. So let's say you go into the website and you click on Explore. right? And you see, for simplicity, let's use this one. You like this Great Ape, right? You click on it, you see that this is called Great Ape number 2090. If you scroll down, you can click on listings. So this one has been listed for 2 Ethereum, which is equal to $6,705. And if you scroll all the way down, you can see the transaction history. That's the beauty of NFTs and the blockchain in general. Everything is transparent. Everything is on the blockchain. No one can tell you this is worth 5 Ethereum and I have sold this for 5 Ethereum in the past. And right now I'm going to sell to you for 2 Ethereum. You can go here and check that this one was actually minted a month ago. Minted meaning created. It was transferred to this wallet, or this guy right here. It was sold for 0.1 Ethereum. So this guy minted it, right? Matt's Crypto. He sold it to K-Man for 0.1 Ethereum. And then K-Man sold it for 0.137 Ethereum to this user. Right now, this user owns it and he has it on sale for 2 Ethereum. So if he sells it, he would do a decent profit. So let's say I wanted to buy this, right? Which I won't. So I click buy now and it shows that that's the subtotal. I gotta obviously have to add funds because right now I have like $8 worth and this costs $6,705. You just add funds. You can deposit from exchange or buy with card. I recommend depositing from exchange. So this shows you the crypto address that you should deposit to. And this one is actually your address that's on MetaMask because MetaMask is linked to your Opensea. I actually did that previously. So you must do that as well. As soon as you open Opensea, there should be a button that says connect to MetaMask or connect to an Ethereum wallet, which is right there. And then what you do is, so you're going to copy the Ethereum address if you're buying with Ethereum because you can buy with other options. You're going to go to portfolios and then you're going to withdraw and then you're going to click Ethereum, crypto address, and then you're going to paste. And that's it. Paste the address and send the Ethereum. But make sure that this address matches with the MetaMask address just so you can be sure that you're sending it to your wallet and not anyone else's. And then you can buy. And once you buy, it should show up in your profile right here after you click My Profile. And that's it. So basically you can buy with Ethereum. However, there are other options where you can buy and I'll show you how you can filter it. So Ethereum right now has been crazy expensive with the gas fees. So sending money to your MetaMask is going to cost you gas fees, and even buying NFTs is going to cost gas fees, and it can go all the way to $100 per transaction. So other than the fact that you're paying, let's say $200 for a piece of art, it might cost you another $100 to transact because of the crazy gas fees, which are going to drop when proof of stake comes out for Ethereum. But right now, since we're proof of work, we're still going to suffer from those gas fees. You can click on chains if you want to avoid the Ethereum blockchain, which is the expensive one. You can click on Polygon and this will show you the NFTs on Polygon. So there are NFTs on Ethereum blockchain, on Polygon blockchain, on Clayton blockchains as well. So let's say you want to buy the Polygon, you do the same thing. However, you're going to send Polygon to your account and then you're going to buy with Polygon instead of with Ethereum. Now, if you want to create your NFT on Opensea, what you do is click the button that says create, and you can upload image, video, audio, or 3D model, whatever you want. You drag and drop. Let's say I want to put this thumbnail, and then you click open. And obviously you're going to have to name it, blah, blah, blah. And here you can put a link in order to explain about what the NFT is so people can actually know what the heck they're buying. And then you can put a description. You can put a collection. So you can have multiple collections. Let's say one of them can be, let's say, selfies, and the other one can be drawings or whatever. It depends on what you're creating. And then when you're done, you can put set the supply of how many tokens you want, how many NFTs. You can put 10 of the same pictures so people can own 1 or 10, and then you just put create. And keep in mind, guys, to create NFTs, you have to pay a one-time fee. I'm not sure what the fee is, but it's going to ask you to pay a one-time fee. So it might not be worth it to you. It depends on what your goals are. So that's it, guys. That's that simple to buy NFTs. However, it's not that simple to make money with NFTs. Make sure if you want to buy something, make sure you're getting a good deal on it and make sure that there's potential and people actually would want to buy it from you, because it's not as easy as selling your cryptos. Let's say you buy Ethereum right now. It's very easy to sell it because you just put it on an exchange and it sells. But for this, you do need people who want to buy the piece of art that you bought, and it's going to take way longer than just selling your crypto holdings. So make sure you understand what you're getting into. If you want more details on what NFTs are and how they can be used in the future and how they may be revolutionary, I've done a video of this previously. It's right there. You can click on it after you watch this video. And that's it, guys. Invest safely. Make sure you have fun with it, but make sure you protect yourself and don't invest anything you're not willing to lose, because this is a very new space and a lot of money can be lost if you don't take the necessary precautions. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.